Welcome to CodePro channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert your HTML web page into PDF document. It is a very common use case that you need to give users to access the ability to download data from your website as PDF file. The PDF file format is very useful to download invoices, ticket bookings, and shopping cart details, etc. Here, I have created simple template with Bootstrap here, and I have provided a download PDF button there. I have already written a functionality. If you click on that, it has downloaded as myfile.pdf. So if you open it, whatever you want, the file has been downloaded like this. Let me show you how I have made the setup for this. This is the sample HTML file with I have already copied some template here. This is the invoice. So, and also I have provided the download button here. That is a download button. If you click on that button, I have to call that event and I have to download that file as PDF. The first thing I need to do is I have to add an event listener for that button. Let me write a code here. ID equal to that button is download button here. First of all, I have to add a event listener for that, right? Here I will write a event listener window.onload function because the file has been loaded before the HTML is loading. That's why I am using window.onload function here, and document.getElement by ID of whatever the ID you have given there, download, and I'm adding event listener. So I am clicking it, right? That's why I'm adding click event here and the callback function here. In this callback function, I have to get that whatever the template I need to download. That's why I'm providing ID here, ID equal to invoice. I'm the same thing I'm doing here. Constant invoice equal to document.getElement by ID of same invoice. Let me show you how this template will be in console. This is the template I am accessing now. So to convert this, I'm using HTML to PDF file, PDF JS file. So that's why I have copied that CDN JS link, script equal to src equal to CDN JS file. Now let me show you window property here. Here I have added that HTML to PDF, right? You can see this HTML to PDF was added as a global property. So that's why I can use that HTML to PDF directly here. HTML. So in this, the from function will be there. You need to use whatever the template you need to download here, and dot save method will download that file as PDF. So you can see here the file has been downloaded, and also HTML to PDF file, JS file that provides some other options for us, like how much uh, quality you want, like everything, like what is the file name you need to give, what is the margin, everything you can configure it here. For that I need to use dot set property here. Dot set, whatever the options you want to provide, you can provide it here. Now if I download it, it will download as whatever the file name I have given, the my file name. So you can see the margin is also applying differently here. That margin is applied differently. So and the quality is also more here. In this way we can download the HTML file into PDF here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.